Yo, what up? Friend of mine. My friend of mine got a G Pen, and I asked him if I could do an unboxing video. I guess this is the older model, he said. I don't know, but he gave it to me to do a review. Or not a review, but an unboxing. I don't get to keep it though. Just for the video. Alrighty. So it's the G Pen Pro, it says. So yeah. Open that up like that. Looks like it pulls out. Oh, you got your device right there. Charger on there. There's the device. Charging cord. This is like a piece of foam, a thick piece of foam, and then yeah, nothing in the tube. Looks like pretty straightforward. Oh, and then it okay. So you got your thing. You got your device. You got your cord, and then it opens up in the middle to reveal that. I'm guessing that's directions. Yes. Looks like it's got 3 settings like most things. So there's your power. Oh, it must be old. It's still got USB-C. A little micro USB. This is cool, sorta. So that G Pen, that stays in there. That doesn't come out. And then you have, it looks like, the brush thing is a cleaner. There's a little ribbon that goes over there, but you can't get it out. It's really weird. So this paper's like glued to the box. And then see that little ribbon? It doesn't come out of there. You pull on it and it don't do shit. So I don't want to break his stuff. So that comes out a little bit bent. Pipe cleaner for obviously cleaning. What the hell's up with my mustache? Alright, and then this, let's see what this is. It's this fucking thing in there, man. Let me lose this shit. Oh, I don't know where the cleaner went. Oh well. It looks like a fucking keychain or something. Yeah. I don't know if that's supposed to be a hot nail or a scraper or something, but it's flat like a Phillips head, a flathead screwdriver. And then it says, it's got the G. It's got a key ring though, so I'm guessing it's for, I don't know. I'll have to ask him. Alrighty, so that goes back in there, and then we'll pull out this device. So it's pretty nice feeling in the hand. So about that size. I guess it's 5 clicks to turn on, 5 clicks to turn on. I don't know. Oh, I don't know if I was supposed to do that. Yeah, so I don't know. Looks like, so there's a charge port on the bottom. There's your power button. And then this. Oh, okay, so that comes off and there's a little teeny tiny, there's a chamber. See the ceramic chamber? So you put your dry herb in there. Put your cat bag on. They could have did a better job on the mouthpiece. It's just like, you gotta hit it like that. Well, there's that. The G Pen Pro. I don't know what the regular is to make this Pro, but and I don't remember what he said he paid for. I think he said like $100 or something. I don't know. Alright, well, that is the G Pen review. If you got any questions, ask me. If I don't know the answer offhand, then I will ask my buddy. Alrighty, and then that goes in there. The packaging is really cool. The device mouthpiece could use some work, and then the crazy accessories to get out of that piece of foam was kind of like not thought through very well. But anyway, there is the what's this thing called again? Oh, the G Pen Pro. Peace out.